Oliver 3, we can remove this key like 5, 7, 9. Normally 5, 7, 9. On the key there is a screw, but this one has no screw. So maybe we can take out whole thing, but I'm not sure. So I wanna just clean without taking this. Just I wanna clean because I don't wanna break. This is a really nice one. See, everything working good. So this one good, then this one good. So really good one. So we need to just clean a lot. It was manufactured in 1903, which means this typewriter is older than any person alive. So it's a history, right? Yeah. So during the AZ, it's a very good condition, except this decal, this part. Other part is very good. See, everything functional. I just reconnected the draw cord using the fish wire, and then little bit cream more inside. I am waiting for this long time because I have the Oliver 5, 7, 9, 11, but this is first 3. I got several chance, but sometime the two rusty, so I gave up, and then sometime I found it but a little bit expensive, so I didn't buy. But this one is a very perfect timing for me. Actually, we plan to shopping that area with my wife, and then I searched it, and then I found this one at the same area. So we met in the supermarket parking lot.
I'm happy.
I'm from the Delaware.
When you sent the map, I'm looking for this hour and 15 minutes. Where the heck's this poor guy coming from? That's quite a drive.
I clean more, and then I put the
Replace
new draw code, and then I make a video, and then
Okay,
upload
cool.
it.
That'll be neat.
Right. Thank you very much.
You have to send me the video.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
It looks good underneath. I was really surprised.
Everything good. Yeah.
And other ones that I saw were broken here on these things, but this one doesn't. I don't see.
Very nice.
Sat in the back of an attic. In the back of the attic for
That's
probably
why
for
family,
60 years.
Yeah, it's 3 is this function for the ribbon direction. It's exactly same with the number 5, but number 3 there is no cover around here, and then this a little bit shorter than the other late version, and then also little bit I think narrow this front, and then later version 5, 7, 9 there is another same this frame side, right? And then this one has no backspace, no tab, see, no tab key, right? And then no backspace around here. And then there is no the carriage release this side, only one side, left side, this one, yeah. And then the behind that curve also at that time I think number 5 starts to this curve, and then small this curve also. Also the normally for the 5, 7, 9, 10 there is a hook draw code, right? But this one there is no that kind of a hook in the middle. So yeah, that's the different thing, another different thing. The bell still very good. Yeah, every collectors like this open frame, because we can see the some like architectural design or mechanism. Yeah, that's why a lot of collectors like this model. Even though little bit inconvenience because no backspace, no tab, and then just the left side the function key, figure and cap, no right side, right? Yeah. I'm the second owner of this typewriter. The first owner used the same ribbon, right? In the middle, see, there is all, yeah, because the letter hit that in the middle. So later I try some typing. Really, you can see the escape mounted the turning. Yeah, very clean. I mean the mechanically perfect. Serial number is yeah, see, you can see the light. It looks like 74310, right? Yeah. So very old one. Nobody born before this typewriter. Let's see some sample typing, okay? Thank you for watching.